Here's a video which explains how we deep cleaned our Miele dryer that was 15 years old and outside warranty. Now, there's a number of videos on the internet on how to do a superficial clean of the dryer, but that didn't solve our problem of having the dryer taking 6 hours. So first of all, you've got to make sure you removed all the lint from the door, which as per normal, and also the inner door, which is as per normal, and the bottom drawer as well. So that's the superficial clean. But in order to perform the deep clean, you need to actually pull apart the unit. So here I am unscrewing the front of the unit. So there's a few screws. Just make sure you video this so when you're putting it back together, you can just follow the screws that you're taking out where they're unscrewed. I recommend also showing the camera the types of screw that comes out of each part. Just makes it a lot easier to put together. So taking everything apart there, and also the door. There's me showing the screw to the door. Okay, we've got that out. Now the bottom section, there's two rather hard screws to get out, and they've got a cover, so you've got to really dig your nails in on the left hand side. Take out the left hand side one, then the right hand side one, and then it's just a case of unscrewing it as well. So unscrew the left side and then the right side as well, and then that little bracket just slides out to the left. So don't pull it directly out, it slides out to the left. And then just put that to one side. Then it's a case of once all the screws are out, taking hold of the front case and just jiggering it till it comes out, and then carefully taking it off, and voila, there's the unit. Now, after much consideration, much cleaning, all the deep cleaning comes from under here. So don't remove this section here. Instead, it's really just a case of get the vacuum cleaner, pop that underneath that foam section, and give it a good vacuum. So don't take that foam off because you need it there to protect it, and it's a bit flimsy, especially after many, many years of use. So just pop your vacuum cleaner under this section here, and after that, simply put everything back together. And we found that our drying time went from 2, 3, 4 hours even, back to half an hour, 40 minutes. So it was a considerable improvement. We asked Miele how to fix it. A guy came out and said, oh, look, if it's not drying properly and you've done all the superficial cleaning, you'll need to send it to Miele, and that could cost $500 or so. So a significant sum considering the unit's 15 years old. So hence we took it into our own hands. Bear in mind, if you did this, it will void your warranty, and if you cause any issues, you'll be up for an additional expense. But we thought, hey, the unit's 15 years old, so we've got nothing to lose. We were sensible about it. We videoed it, and it worked for us. So it could work for you as well. I recommend you take a cautious approach and see if it works for you. And if you save $500 and you get your unit back to brand spanking new, good luck.